Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about breaking the $100,000 mark on my Wealthsimple RRSP portfolio. This is a robo-advisor, so they're actively managed portfolio. I'm going to show you the emails I got, like the welcome package. I might show, I guess like the only feature that changed now is the decreased management fee. I go from 0.5% to 0.4% per year, which is not bad for an actively managed portfolio. It's better than a mutual fund, which is 2.5%. I'm going to show you how I got there and how you can replicate it. So a few weeks ago, I made a video on how to build $1 million portfolio over 30 years by the time you retire. And I just broke the $100,000 mark, and let's see how long it'll take me to get to $1 million, and let's see what I can retire at in 30 years. I just want to make these videos to show people that just consistency is key. I do get lucky with a few job offers and business trades here and there to help me get to this $100,000 mark in just 4 years. This is just my Wealthsimple RSP portfolio. My own portfolio is self-managed and I do trade options on it. But let me just go. I just want to show you the emails that I get. So I get this welcome to Wealthsimple Premium. I get a congratulations from the co-founder and CEO to help Canadians reach their financial goals. Fine. Lots of benefits. I don't think there are any benefits. So I get a second email that's saying we've upgraded your account agreement. I don't know if everyone else gets this or is it just me. I think everyone gets this on September 12th. Trading authorization. Okay. Manage accounts. If you have a managed account, you waive the receipt of trade confirmations. Fine. Derivative risk, precious metals. I think everyone gets this. I don't think it was just directly to me. So then I get a third email. Congrats, $100,000 in Wealthsimple. So I get lower management fees. All right, so I get complimentary USD accounts. Oh, I didn't realize. Okay, that's some benefit. And then a 0.5% increase in my cash account, which is still pretty low. I guess you could click on view your benefits. There we go. So just $1, you get zero commission. Fine, 0.51 per 5%. Interesting. So the $500,000, 0.2 to 0.4. Yeah, I don't know how many people get that. 2.5. Not many benefits up in here. Like if you go down to 0.3 or 0.2, that's pretty good. But there is the asterisk, so I'm not sure if that would apply to everyone. So let's just see. So this is just the S&P 500. And now I get this little welcome benefit. Okay, now that you have $100,000, say hello to your new benefits. Let's click on that. Does it take me anywhere else? No. $393,000 away. Top premium benefits. Wow. So I get complimentary upgrade. Not bad. Free audit protection. Partner perks. I don't use any of these. Let's see. Spend and save. 2% interest rate. So that's 0.5% higher. 1% trading fee. That's very high. Wow. Self-directed free USD account. To be honest, that's pretty good. $250,000 on instant deposit. Manage investing. This is what I'm doing right now. We'll automatically use tax investment losses to create tax savings. That's pretty cool. So I don't have to make a year-end video about this. All right, top premium benefits. Not bad. Not bad. We'll see how long it takes me to get to the 200K. Back to my portfolio. So it says 106,000. So this is 3 weeks after I ended up hitting that goal because I just had some other things to take care of. But just take a look at this. So in the last year, I made 18.4%. But if we go to SPY stock, in the last year, SPY, okay, I thought I was beating the S&P. 19.7% in the last year versus my 18.4. I'm impressed. I thought it'd be a lot worse. So let's go back to year to date. 16.66% year to date. Let's see what I did. 16.3. To be honest, I am impressed. I thought it would do a lot worse. And I thought I'd have this video and this big epiphany about how you shouldn't be investing in the robo-advisors, but it is pretty good. It's all, it's just automated. I don't have to do anything about it. So the green is my portfolio value fluctuating with the market. And then the black dotted line is my contributions. I increased from 800 a month to 1,000 a month. So you'll see here net deposits were 73,918. So that was 400 increase. And then here, let's say you'll see from 76,418, I think it should go to 76,918. Yeah, so I increased it to 500 every other week or like twice a month, I think it was. These are the steady and consistent payments that I made or that I emphasized and mentioned on the previous video. In the last 6 months, I didn't make any large deposits. In the year to date, I didn't make a large deposit. I think in the last year I did. So you see here, I made $10,000 every time. I think I had just had some excess cash and I didn't know what to do with it. I had some room in my RSP, so I put the $10,000. Yeah, so let's try to click in. Let's click into here. This will show me how much I will have by the time I decide to retire. So this has increased a lot. I think it said 1.9 million the last time we looked at this, which I think it was in July. And now it's at 2.13 by the time we're, by 65, but I do want to go retire at 55. So this number hasn't changed, 881,000. That is not enough to retire on in 20 years. Maybe by 60, that's a lot better. By 65, yeah, you see the longer you wait to retire, the more you'll have, 3.2 million. I'm not sure I want to wait this long. I probably will go part-time at 55 and then see what happens. Hopefully I don't run out of savings if I live too long. It would be good to live long, but maybe that's a topic for another video. I do want to see my account activity to see if I can calculate the 0.4%. So we see here deposits. This is what they invest in. Where's my fee? Recurring deposit, 500. Where's the fee? Management fee. Okay. So it's $40 a month and I have 106,000. Let's see how much it actually is. So 39.82 times 12 divided by 106. So 0.45%, which is not bad. I guess that's what they promised. I don't know if I even calculated that properly. 39.82 divided by 106. I think that's my portfolio amount. Yeah, 0.5%. So I am impressed with Wealthsimple. I have no complaints about it. It's automated. I set the highest risk. So if we go, 0.4% here, I have a custom portfolio, but I did choose the highest risk. So I chose 11 out of 10. 10 out of 10 risk was I think 90% in fixed income, 9% in equity and 10% fixed income. I didn't want 10% in fixed income. Oh, you know what? I think that's why my portfolio return has been doing so good or so well. Because instead of doing that 10% in fixed income, which is just like interest or like low interest income bonds, I ended up getting 100% equities, and that's why I'm almost matching the market. But I am pretty happy about this. I wanted to see if the Wealthsimple robo-advisors would be able to match not just the market, but what I can do in trading. It can't match what I could do because I'm pretty aggressive with the options trading, but it is still pretty good. Like what you want it to do is at least match the market. Obviously, you notice how it's all green. We had a little bit of a dip here when the tariffs came in, but this year, the market shouldn't go up 16% a year. It's not normal. I don't think this will last for a long time. Look at my return, 35%. I do think we're in a bubble. People have been saying that for a while. I don't know when it'll go down, but I'm just going to keep investing 500 every other week. So 1,000 a month, trying to match, catch the market going up and then catch it going down. If it does drop, if I get another period like this where it drops, I think it was 10% in a few days, I will invest more. I do have some excess cash. I think I do have to wait until the year end, so I have more RSP room, which is 18% of last year's earned income. So it should be a good amount. I think it was up to $40,000, but yeah, pretty happy with this. That's Wealthsimple Premium. You get a little gold icon on your, what is it? You get a gold icon on your trading app. I don't usually trade on the app. I like doing the videos here. I don't open this often. The only reason I knew I got 100,000 was they emailed about it. I only open this every few months when I come to make a video. I'm let me know if you want me to do anything different on Wealthsimple. I might show crypto trading. I don't usually do crypto on here because you don't get to own the key. You don't get the coins, but it would be good for TFSA investing. I might do another video on their options trading by the new year in 2026. I think they're going to have more advanced option trades and not just like buying calls and buying puts. I want to see if I could do some advanced trading for you guys in case you're interested. I know that those have been like 50% of the viewers on my channel interested in that, but I think I'm rambling. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.